Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a DocuSign account, full guide step by step clearly. To register for a DocuSign account, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.docusign.com and hit enter. Once the DocuSign homepage loads, look for the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed to the registration page. You will be presented with several options for signing up. Select the option that best fits your needs, either a personal or business account. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Ensure your password meets the specified security requirements. After completing the fields, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance of these terms. Next, click the Start Free Trial or Create Account button to continue. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your information. Open your email inbox and locate the email from DocuSign. Click on the confirmation link provided in the email to verify your account. Once your email is verified, return to the DocuSign website. Log in using the email address and password you registered with. You will now have access to your DocuSign account and can begin using its features. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your profile and preferences as needed. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.